Hey everyone, Josh here again from Big Daddy Stereo. It's that time of year. The Daytona 500, the Olympics, the Super Bowl, your 6-year-old's birthday party. All great reasons for you to update your home theater system. Now I know when you're shopping for a television you're faced with a lot of problems. Is it too big? Where am I going to put it? Will it match? We have a great solution here for you. A television that's designed to look like a picture frame. It comes preloaded with 100 professional photos to choose from. Or you can upload your own photos, like of your cat, Mr. Skittles. That way your television's not just entertainment, but it's art, so it looks really good inside your house. Right now we're offering up to 18 months deferred interest, and if you allow us to professionally install your television, we'll throw in a wall mount for free. And if that doesn't tickle your fancy, I think we have just about whatever you need. We have 4K projectors, large format screens. We can get your home theater built the way you want it. So come into our store and find out all the awesome deals that we have.
Yeah!